what you're looking at is a premium restaurant website designed to guide one thing, reservations. But here's the real question. How long does something like this actually take to build? For most businesses, building a website like this means weeks of back and forth, expensive development cycles, and constant revisions. And even after launch, it often lacks one critical piece: automation. In this video, I'll walk you through how we take a high-end restaurant website, break it down into its core system, and rebuild it using a streamlined development workflow, combining structured code generation, modern development tools, and scalable platforms like WordPress. Before writing a single line of code, we analyze structure, not design. Every high-performing website follows this structure. It's not about how it looks, it's about how it guides the user. Here's the workflow we use to rebuild this efficiently. Structured prompting system, Claude Code, development environment, Visual Studio Code, deployment and scalability, WordPress. Each tool has a role. One handles structure, one handles development, one handles scalability and business use. Instead of starting from scratch, we define the entire system up front. Create a modern restaurant website with dark luxury theme, full width hero section, experience storytelling section, menu highlights, reservation call to action, mobile responsive layout. This generates a clean foundation, organized, structured, and ready to build on. Into Visual Studio Code. Now we bring this into a real development environment. This is where precision happens: layout adjustments, spacing, responsiveness, and performance optimization. Adjust hero height, add gradients, improve typography, optimize mobile view. A great website isn't static, it responds. Hover effects, smooth scrolling button animations, section transitions. These small details increase engagement and keep users moving toward the booking action. Now we move from design to business functionality. This is where the website becomes a system, editable, scalable, and usable by the business owner without technical skills. Here's where most websites fail and where we go further. Booking form automation. Instant responses. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel. Lead capture system. Instead of just displaying information, the website now works, capturing leads, responding instantly, and guiding customers to book. Same concept, same business, but one is just a website. The other is a conversion system. If your website isn't generating bookings automatically, it's not doing its job. This is what modern website development looks like.
This is what automation looks like in practice. Hit subscribe if you want more of these real-world builds. Drop a comment if you want me to do this for a specific industry, how restaurants, clinics, real estate, client, I'll build it live. And if you want this kind of system for your business, the link to Brightn8 is in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.